love.
Now I've got George driving me around. Yeah, Mr. 5-year-old. Driving the buggy. Very good. You better keep your eyes on the road. Oh wait, we've got Selena over there on the other buggy. Can you drive there, George? Drive to Selena because she's driving the other buggy. And how old is Selena? 4. Let's go see her. Can you go back to her, please? Go next to her. Hey, Selena. Are you? Show me how you drive. No burnouts yet. Hang on. Go, Selena. Selena, you're doing a burnout. You're funny. Is that fun, George? It's a bit bumpy. You don't want to go back. Where do you want to go? Well, the whole farm is yours, George, so keep on driving. I can see Selena over there. What are you doing? Look at that smile. Look at that smile. We can't even see you in the driver's seat. Where are you? Selena, give us a wave. Hi. Are you driving? You're so funny.
Good on you, Joseph and George.
What is talking, boys?
Timbers from fire.
Selena over there. Selena! Selena, show us a trick.